Hi there, Matt here. Just going to create a basic automation in Integromat. So what I like to do is I like to put the actual trigger module in brackets. So that's going to be the leading one that it's doing. And I like to mention what it's doing as well. So what's the purpose of it? So it's going to be watching for new responses. So Stacky is a database. So if I go move that, Stacky, simple Airtable. So we'll do watch for records. Now it's asking what workspace, what stacks. So it is this one here. What table, what view, so a grid view, and we'll do OK. So you can do from now on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Stacky. So it's actually a form. This is to help people get a quick personalized video of just their initial problems. So this is what's on offer. So this is what I'm offering at Build with K. So if you're filling this form here, I'll review it and send you a quick video response asking for the pain points and things like that. So this is a form, so an online form. So what will happen is when the data from that form is submitted, it'll appear in this grid here. So your first name, last name, email, stage of business. So we'll give that a run. So we'll do save this, and I'll actually fill in the form. Perhaps you're at a stage that you're using Trello, so perhaps you're doing things on the cheap, so you get your database, which is Airtable, which is great, even on a free version, and Trello as well for some project management tasks, should I say. All right, what stage of business? So let's say self-employed, team of me, and I'll do first name, I'll do me, testing, email, a test.com. So what we're going to do is we're going to submit that. So I'll go we'll submit that. So what we're going to do, we'll submit it. It's been submitted. So now in Integromat, we're just going to run that. See if it shows that response. There you go. It's found that. Beautiful. Now let's go to Stacky. So here we go. It's inserted it. So I've got me, testing, a test. So that's all there. And the name is just a simple what they call a concatenate formula. So there you go. So we've gone through a simple test. So we created a scenario, so pulling some data here. We have used the form to send it into Stacky. And we've shown how it comes into Integromat. So from here, what you can do So what do you want to happen next? So whatever you want to happen. So you might want to get a Slack notification. So I go here. So you just simply do create message, and you could do something like this. You could go what the message, so say first name, submitted response. What else could we do? You could be as creative as you want to be, really. So asking, what business process are you trying to solve? Asking help with, and then do that. And you'll fill in this, your channel name. You can find your channel name in Slack. I can do the channel as well. So I'm not going to connect that now, but as you can imagine, we'll just do OK. So it's not going to allow me to, because I need something there. So let's just put something A. So what would happen now if someone was to fill in the form? So if we go back to this form here, go back to this form here. If someone fills in this form and you've got this Slack connected correctly, it would automatically send to Slack. So from there, you could even, this is the very basic level, but you may want to, better save that. You may want to progress and create something as elaborate as this. So that previous example just showed something like this, just two connected modules only, but you can be as elaborate as you wish and depending on your needs. So hopefully that was helpful. Yeah, feel free to fill in that form. There'll be a link to that form below. Happy to send you a personalized video, and also feel free to join the Build with K family as well. Join our list, that is also below. Thanks guys, hopefully that was helpful.